Like, here, stay away.
How's that? I'm Steve Payne, I'm the editor of Canadian Contractor, and I've been roped into this video once again by my boss.
Rob Cosi, publisher.
Yeah, he's a publisher, and he signed us up for us to do a 12-part video series on fasteners. And the first two are about concrete and masonry fasteners. First thing I notice, I'm supposed to be the layman, like the dumb guy, which a role I play so well.
It's not hard.
There's two threads. There's a thread within a thread on a concrete anchor. Why is that?
Okay. They've got two threads in their concrete anchors because they want to maximize the amount of grip, which is the bigger thread, and then they want to minimize the amount of torque you need to drive the screw. So you still get some grip with the smaller thread, but it reduces the amount of torque that it takes to drive the
Now,
screw.
you don't have threads within threads on a wood screw. You have a single thread. Wood screws much deeper. Why?
Yeah.
Why is a wood screw deeper in a single thread?
You don't have a problem, the same problem with breaking masonry as well. In a wood situation, the wood can flex and move with the thread. The masonry breaks easy.
The Tapcon fasteners are blue. What's with the coating?
I want to mention first that there is a little bit of ribbing here on the top of the screw.
It's like a mini thread up there.
It's like a mini thread up there. That's to just provide grip on whatever it is that you're attaching to the masonry. When you're driving this into masonry, the coating takes a hell of a beating. And so you want as tough a coating as possible, because if that coating breaks away and exposes the metal underneath, there's a better chance that that screw will fail.
Now, this chart here, which I don't understand, you have 22 seconds to explain this.
All right.
This is obviously important to you.
It's very important.
Because I asked if we could cut this part out of the video, and Rob said, hell no. So
No.
Why?
This is super important. What we're talking about here is the size of the screw you're going to drive. Now, if you want a lot of grip, you have to go to a larger shaft screw. Sometimes somebody might think that if you want more grip, you just get a longer screw. The problem with that is that once you passed about the 1.5 inch point on your screw, the grip you're getting overwhelms the strength of the screw. So you have to go, rather than go to a longer screw, you got to go to a larger diameter shaft, and that'll give you the strength and the grip that you need without endangering the screw breaking.
Next video, we're going to be talking about
Concrete nails.
concrete nails. We'll make a hash of that one too. Come watch it with us.
No, we're not.